So I don't know if you're aware of it or not, but Purim's been completely cancelled here in Israel due to what's happening with Iran and all that. Not going to get into it, but I was pretty close to finishing my son's costume. Again, if you don't know, here in Israel, in Purim, all the kids get dressed up. In recent years, it's become a bit intense where it's not just one day like it was when I was a kid. It's like a full week where every single day they dress up. One day they'll dress up as animals. The second day they'll dress up as law enforcement officers. The third day they'll be sports kids and cheerleaders. It's just like the list is endless. But there's one day where they have like their main dress up, and on that day I wanted to dress him up as Bob the Builder. The last thing I had left to do with this costume, and I'm going to do it anyway even though it's all been cancelled, is spray paint this shirt to look like Bob the Builder's red and orange square pattern that he has as a shirt, and the belt should be brown. So I'm going to spray paint that, and I'm going to show you everything else I've done in the last week or two around his costume, which should look pretty good, by the way. Let's get into it. This is my first TPU print. It is flexible, which is just like mind-blowing to me, that you can print something that's actually flexible on your 3D printer. Goes on the belt. It should hold tools. How cool is that? I printed this in TPU. This is meant to be an adapter for this crappy little helmet that cost about 6 shekels. So when this is placed on my son's head, it kind of goes too low. It doesn't have that appeal to it like a construction helmet has. Look. So a construction hat looks like it's taller. It's like a suspended truck compared to like a truck that's not suspended. There's something special about it being taller or higher than it should be. The same goes with helmets. This helmet looks much better because it's not too close to my head. So going back to the 6 shekel helmet that's very close to my head, makes me look like a dork. I printed this adapter that has the same circumference as my son's head on the inside. On the outside, it's got the same circumference as the crappy 6 shekel helmet. Do you understand where I'm going with this? Using super glue is a mystery. It either doesn't work at all or sticks it for good forever. Today it's not sticking at all. Let's try clamping it down. So the shirt is dry. When you stretch the actual shirt, you'll get like a deformity in the colour. And it feels very coarse and it smells really bad. And the colour has gone through to the other side, which was one of my prerequisites that I got from my wife to let him wear it. So we're not going to be wearing this shirt today. We're going to have to find another solution. I know I said I won't get into all the issue with Iran, and I won't, but I will say that in all this madness, the kids still got a chance to get dressed up. They were even invited to an improvised dress-up party in one of the lobbies of the local buildings. So that's 1-0 to normality for you. Need anything fixed? Why don't you call Bob the Builder, aka Atai the Builder? See you in the next one.